टू व्हीलर चोरपी केरळाच्या दोगा जाणांक मडगांव पोलिसांनी धरले. तांचे कडल्यान चोरिल्ल्यो 60 टू व्हीलर्स जप्त केल्यात. जमशेद, तारकल आणि टोनी जेम्स दोगांचोय टू व्हीलर चोरपाचो व्यवसाय. एकल्याची गाडी चोरली म्हणून पोलीस कागाळीचेर तपास करताना हे दोगूय पोलिसांच्या हाताक लागले.
On 7th July, yesterday, on Kedar Vete, residence of Station Road, Margao, lodged his complaint to the effect that on 3rd July, in the night, some unknown culprits committed the theft of his Splendor motorcycle, which was parked in front of Mohini Hotel. So, in this connection, we registered a crime under Section 379 IPC, and we started our investigation. So, during the investigation, the complainant produced the CCTV footages on which it is seen that two unknown culprits were while committing the theft of the said bike. So, as per the description on the CCTV footage of the culprits, I briefed my LIB team. So, as per that, my LIB team started the investigation and detained two persons as per the description on the CCTV footages. So further, during the interrogation of the accused two person, we were managed to find out the said motorcycle, and they confess about the commission of the crime. Their names are Jamshed Tarkal, son of Abdul, age 24 years, native of Kerala, and second one is Tony, son of John James, age 30 years. He is also native of Kerala. So during the further interrogation, we were managed to recover more other 6 bikes. There is one Pulsar, 2 Activas, 1 Bajaj, 1 Igniter, and 1 more Splendor bike. So our further interrogation is in progress to find out the thefts of the more bikes.